In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the costs associated with getting Microsoft Excel certified. This is an essential guide for anyone looking to enhance their skills and boost their career with a Microsoft Office Specialist certification in Excel. So, let's dive into the breakdown of the exam costs and what you can expect along the way. Starting with the MOS exam voucher, which is an integral part of your certification journey, you'll find two main pricing options to consider. First, there's the MOS exam voucher with a retake option. This typically costs around $120. Now, you might be wondering why you should consider this option. Well, having the ability to retake the exam offers that extra layer of security and peace of mind. It means that if anything unexpected happens on your first attempt, there's no need to worry. You're covered with a second chance, which is incredibly reassuring if you're feeling a bit anxious about the exam. The other option is the MOS exam voucher without a retake, priced at approximately $104. This is a single attempt approach, making it slightly more affordable. If you're confident in your preparation and feel ready to tackle the exam on your first try, this cost-effective option could be the right choice for you. It allows you to focus your efforts and save a little money in the process. It's crucial to remember that these prices might vary depending on your provider or region. So I can't stress enough the importance of reaching out to your exam center to confirm the final cost. Prices can be subject to regional differences or special promotions, so this step is vital in planning your budget accurately. In terms of preparation, if you're feeling unsure, or if this is your first time taking such an exam, the extra investment in a retake voucher could provide a helpful safety net. On the other hand, if you have experience or feel well prepared, the single attempt could be sufficient for you. As you consider these options, think about your confidence level, how much preparation time you've had, and what kind of assurance you need on the day of the exam. Balancing these factors will help you decide which voucher to purchase. In conclusion, understanding the costs involved in getting Microsoft Excel certified is an important step in your certification process. By choosing the right voucher, you'll be better prepared and financially equipped to achieve your certification goals. I hope this breakdown has provided you with the clarity you need to proceed with confidence. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your certification journey.